This recipe here is going to be the Indian dish. It's a chicken tikka masala. And what we do is get a marinade, and we're going to use chicken thighs for this. It's pretty nice. And all the ingredients for the marinade are, and like if you look online, there's a lot of different recipes for chicken tikka masala. And spices that you use. Every spice is within there. That's salt there. And then we have chili powder, cumin, turmeric, and gram masala. It's an Indian spice. So basically we need 8 ounces of yogurt, plain yogurt. Don't use seasoned yogurt. This is an 8 ounce label. And then we have fresh ginger, tablespoon of fresh garlic. These spices. And I'll add a little lemon juice. This is a paste. It's pretty thick. Pretty thick paste. So I'll thin it out with a little lemon juice. Like half a lemon. And then we just add our thighs to this. Coat them up. And they say you can coat them up anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, or as long as you want, really. And just turn them over. So what we have is some that have been marinating. You come over here to a saute pan. Bring them on over. Oh, never mind, Just palms, please. So, on these, you can find out where the skin side is. Where the side is. It's skin side down. And you just want to brown these. Don't ever crowd your pan. It'll create moisture. You want to get nice and brown. Alright. And we're just browning these. Getting nice caramelized. So can you give me a little half pan, please? And we'll put them in the oven. Take these out of the oven. Set these, get your tongs and put those in there. Now those have been cooking. These will go in. I need some onions for this,
For your sauce, yeah.
I need some onions. Always watch this. The pan just came out of the oven. It's been in the oven for about 40 minutes. I'll give that some onions. This excess oil here. Let's pour this out. A little more oil. And all this on the bottom, that caramelized stuff is called fond. Fond. F-O-N-D. It's all flavor. So there, and then also in Indian recipes, They always call for a product called ghee, G-H-E-E. It's just clarified butter. This pan is hot. Good, I'm giving you the plastic spoon out of there. And then we add our onions. Yeah, that's a little ginger. This is very hot. A little garlic. And just remove the bottom of the fond off the bottom of the pan for flavor. And what we add is our spices. More spices. Slowly. And you turn this down and slowly let those spices just all kind of mix together on low heat. You can almost turn it off. Slowly let it cook. It'll become real fragrant. A lot of people aren't really familiar with Indian food. If you ever have the chance to go to a true, authentic Indian restaurant, or people that really know how to cook Indian food, it's just unbelievable. A lot of people are afraid of it because they've never had it. They think it's all spicy or curries, a lot of curry and stuff. And I don't think curry's even added in this recipe, is it? Okay, so what we can do is, a recipe calls for water. I'm always voting on flavor. I got the chicken stock back here, or chicken broth. Just add a little bit of that to it. Roll that around if you like. And then we add heavy cream. Turn up the heat. Smells really nice. Trust me. Heavy cream. And then a lot of recipes call for tomato puree, but we just use tomato sauce. We have some tomato sauce here. And this recipe we're using calls for 14 ounces, is that right? When you've been cooking for a long time, you're always changing recipes out. Just don't go crazy. Always add a little bit. If you add too much, then you can ruin your dish. You know, this starts cooking and it starts foaming up. Heavy cream will not curdle on you or burn. I was trying some things. Then we add our tomato sauce. We add our chicken back in there. We'll put it back in the oven and just let it slowly cook. And you turn it over every now and then. See how nice and all that's just flavor. At the end of the cooking process, when you're going to clean it up or to garnish it, this is cilantro. Just rough chop some of this up. Doesn't take a lot. Some people don't like cilantro. Do it pretty nice. A lot of cuisine. Here you have your chicken tikka masala. Thank you very much.